6 tips to launch your blog today. Do you have interesting content to share? If so, it's time to start your blog or expand your existing blog using your fantastic writing skills. To create and maintain a blog these days, it's easy and inexpensive. You can start as soon as now. Here are some easy tips and tricks that will supercharge the beginning of your blogging journey. Domains, to pay or not to pay. The short answer is that there's no wrong way to go. Although if you believe you're building this with the expectation to work on your blog as a full-time gig, then it might be worth a small starter investment. Now, utilizing free blog space is an easy first step. But if you are ready to commit, have content, and the ability to continually post, then go for the small investment of owning your own domain. You can acquire domain names for a modest fee of $10 to $20 per year. Now, blog hosting is a separate expense, and shopping around is always smart. Until you find a host company, a quick tip is to redirect newly purchased domain or domain names to a free blog host platform, possibly one you are already working with. This provides an excellent start. Add or add. Do not rely heavily on ads, advertisement, ad plugins, or ad images. Overusing these tools will cause search engines to mark your website as spam, which will put you behind and user experience will likely be disappointing. Instead, focus on adding quality content with natural writing and helpful information. Make your writing easy to follow and honest. And yes, add quality articles. Using ads, advertisements, they're fine, but err on the side of less versus more. Enjoy the break. Enjoy your blog, but don't let it take over your life. To prevent writing fatigue, attempt to limit screen time. Sometimes jotting topics and bullet lists on a notepad can be a healthy brain break. Take time away from the computer. This will allow you to return refreshed so that you'll be ready to compose excellent content. Schedule the schedule. Running a blog can fit into any schedule, from blogging only once a month to every day. Do whatever works best for you and your time of life. If you want to make the process even more practical, schedule your publish date and time easily. Most blogging applications offer a feature that allows you to schedule each post for various times of the day, times of the month, and so on. Write your article at your convenience and schedule your publishing time and date. Go ahead, take a writing lock-in weekend and schedule your posts for a month. Post scheduling works better, of course, when your topics are classic and not extremely trendy. If you are writing on daily current events, you'll need to stay on top of things as they happen. However you choose, be sure to post frequently and consider sticking to a consistent plan, especially if you want to attract many readers. The image of images. For a professional image, consider including images with your posts. It's often stated that a picture is worth 1,000 words. That is true in the area of running a blog. Images, when combined with thoughtfully written posts, can communicate more than words alone. So try to use images as often as you can. Depending on the topic, original images are even better. If that puts an undue burden on getting your project completed, you can easily find free stock photo platforms with excellent photos or clip arts to accent your message. Maintain with maintenance. Maintain your blog diligently. Complete maintenance tasks often, such as checking for broken links, code, or changing items within the layout to keep it fresh. Maintaining your articles and blogging software ensures that visitors can access your site and find information that informs and entertains them regularly and reliably. If you feel overwhelmed about the maintenance portion, you can find honest, reliable techs who have experience working with blogging software such as Blogger or WordPress and many other applications. Basic precautions are always wise. Ask for references or use someone from your hosting platform or use a tech your fellow blogging pals trust. Are you asking, why is Paper Papers writing an article about blogging? This may seem a bit out of place, since we are a paper and envelope supplier. Yes, we do love what we do, and we find ourselves writing articles on our blog and third-party blogs relating to our industry. Therefore, as a small business, we have had to think through these steps and didn't want to miss the opportunity to make it just a little easier for the next small business or entrepreneur. You've got this. No kidding. You really can go live in less than 24 hours. The next step, it's yours.